Keep Vuyokazi's name out your effing mouth, okay? Musa Mseleko said something that stayed stuck with me, and I am really bothered by his way of thinking. Let's talk. On the first episode of Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, Musa Mseleko talks about the situation with Vuyokazi and the kids, right? He mentions that Vuyokazi is saying that damages were never paid for Mhlopekazi, the firstborn daughter. Musa says that is not true. The only person they haven't paid damages for is the little one, Unzulu, and they haven't done so because they are waiting for the Ncweni family to tell them how to pay for the damages, which I understand that part. If a girl gets pregnant, the family of the girl takes the girl, ayobika isisu, right? He says that, Kengoku, guys, he says that, and this got my blood boiling. He says that, what's the use of paying damages for a child that will be taken away from them anyway because there is a fight brewing?
Uvuyokazi uthi asimhlawulele umhlophekazi iphutha elikhulu, but ke mhlawumbe usho ngoba nakho ethola indoda. Umuntu esingamhlawulele ilomncane ofikayo uNzulu, and ngokwazi thina la ekhaya ukuthi operate kanjani, silinde bona abantu ukuthi basitshela ukufanele simhlawulele kanjani. But manje akuselula ukuthi simhlawulele because somhlawulela siphinde singamtholi kusho ukuthi sizohlawula phinde bahlale nengane yethu ngoba kuyaliwa manje.
Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. But the Mselekos keep twisting the knife on Vuyokazi's heart. The same girl you fought for is not worth being honored by paying damages for your son impregnating her. Yo, kwaze kwanzima guys. And my chat is, if the father thinks like this, what kind of influence do they have on the son? KwaXhosa, guys, and I want my Zulu people to help us on this one. But KwaXhosa, paying damages doesn't mean you are buying the child, or you can take the child, or whatever. A child born out of wedlock will always belong to the mother's family. What does Musa Mseleko mean? That he doesn't even see the need of paying damages because they will not get the child anyway. Paying damages is a way of saying sorry to the other family for entering their kraal, isibaya sabo, deflowering their daughter, getting them pregnant. It's basically to say we are sorry, siyaxolisa. It has nothing to do with the child but the mother. When this daughter with a child now gets married one day, there will be a cow that will not be given by the groom because she now has a child. That cow is compensated for by paying it damages when you impregnate a girl. Mpumelelo Mseleko, I hope that you are learning something now. I don't know much about cultural things, but this I have some level of understanding of. I might not have put it in the perfect words, but to Zulu people, tell me, what does paying damages mean in your culture? And do you notice how Musa Mseleko is up in arms about Vuyokazi and the kids, wanting these kids to grow his family legacy, but doesn't want Usne and her kids, will never let Usne's kids have his surname. It was even difficult for Usne to change her surname to Mseleko. But the way he's always fighting this relationship, like he doesn't see that he is actually doing Vuyokazi dirty. She had already left Umzumbe and broken up with Mpumelelo, but Yena Wamlanda claiming to be fighting for her. Then what happened? Mpumelelo mistreated her again, got her pregnant again. He didn't love her again. That self-centered, selfish mother funnel. Anyway, guys, let's discuss this part where Musa says, what is the use? They will keep the kids anyway. Is it the way to go, guys? Let me know in the comments, especially my Zulu people. Enjoyed this commentary? Give it a thumbs up and I will love you for it. I will see you on the next video. Bye.